life is like a nature, full of quiet, strength, and steady growth. Even the smallest seed can become a tall tree with patience and light. Like the changing seasons, we all go through different paces. There are bright summers when everything feels easy, and cold winters when things seem to stop moving. But even in winter, nature is alive, beneath the surface, preparing for spring. Then here comes the autumn, a season that reminds us of beauty in change. The trees let go of their leaves not in sadness, but in grace. They teach us that letting go is also part of growing. The falling leaves paint the world in warm colors, showing that even endings can be beautiful. So when life feels uncertain, look to nature. Like the autumn trees, we are meant to grow, to change, and to keep reaching toward the light, finding beauty in every season of our lives.